Welcome to our tutorial on how to display numbers as text in Excel. This can be useful for formatting phone numbers, zip codes, or any numeric data that shouldn't be treated as a number for calculations. Let's explore the different methods for displaying numbers as text. The first and the simplest way to display a number as text is by using an apostrophe. To do that, select the cell where you want to enter the number. Let's use cell A1. Then type an apostrophe before the number you wish to enter. After that, type the number, 1235, then press Enter. You can see that the caution error appeared left right corner of the cell says, number stored as text, and also the number is left aligned. Therefore, this is what we want. The second method we are going to discuss here is to format the cell as text. Start by entering a number, like 54,432 in cell B1. Right-click the cell, select Format Cells, and choose Text. Click OK to apply the format. You can also format multiple cells as text at once using the same method prior entering numbers. Select the range B2 to B5, then format them as text, and enter your numbers. Thirdly, the text function can convert a number to text with a specified format. Start by entering a number, like 123.45 in cell C1. In another cell, use the text function to format the number as text. To do that, enter an equal sign and type text and open parenthesis. Then select the cell with the number and add a comma. After that, type 0.00 within inverted commas. The two zeros entered here as decimal places are equal to the number of decimal places in your number, and you have freedom to decide number of decimal places needed depending on the requirement. On the other hand, you can also use the same method to add leading zeros in a number as well. Use the same formula, which is text, and select the number as previous. Then type 4 zeros and 2 decimal places separated by dot sign within inverted commas, and close the brackets and press Enter. It will show 1 zero as a leading zero, and it's because the other 3 zeros have occupied by 3 whole numbers in the original number. To make it with 2 leading zeros, edit the formula with 5 zeros before the decimal places and press Enter. To recap, we covered 3 methods for displaying numbers as text in Excel, using an apostrophe, text formatting, and the text function. These techniques will help you manage and display your numeric data as text effectively. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor. See you next time.